Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the microflora of the human body. That's right, we're talking about the trillions of tiny organisms living in and on us that play a crucial role in our health. So, let's get started. What is microflora? First things first, what exactly is microflora? Well, it's a collective term for the diverse community of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, viruses, and archaea, that inhabit various parts of our bodies. These tiny residents are found on our skin, in our mouths, noses, and most abundantly, in our gut. What are the different types of human body microflora? Skin microflora. Let's start with the skin. Our skin is home to a variety of microorganisms, primarily bacteria. Common types include Staphylococcus, Corynebacterium, and Propionibacterium. These microorganisms form a protective barrier against harmful pathogens, help manage inflammation, and maintain the skin's pH balance. For example, Propionibacterium acnes, which is found in hair follicles, can help prevent harmful bacteria from colonizing the skin. 2. Oral microflora. Next up is the oral microflora. Our mouths are teeming with bacteria, both good and bad. Key players include Streptococcus, Lactobacillus, and Actinomyces. Good bacteria help prevent tooth decay and gum disease by producing substances that inhibit harmful bacteria. For instance, Streptococcus salivarius produces bacteriocins that target bad bacteria, while Lactobacillus species help maintain an acidic environment, which is unfavorable for pathogenic microbes. 3. Gut microflora. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the gut microflora. The human gut contains trillions of microorganisms, with Bacteroides, Firmicutes, Actinobacteria, and Proteobacteria being the most prevalent. These microbes are essential for digestion and nutrient absorption. They help break down complex carbohydrates, synthesize vitamins like B12 and K, and produce short-chain fatty acids that nourish the gut lining. They also play a role in regulating our immune system and protecting against pathogens. 4. Respiratory microflora. Our respiratory tract also has its own unique microflora, including species like Staphylococcus, Streptococcus, and Corynebacterium. These microorganisms help prevent infections by occupying space and resources that pathogens would need to establish themselves. They also stimulate the immune system to respond more effectively to respiratory threats. 5. Urogenital microflora. Finally, let's discuss the urogenital microflora. In women, Lactobacillus species are predominant in the vaginal microbiota. These beneficial bacteria produce lactic acid, maintaining a low pH environment that prevents the growth of harmful pathogens. This is crucial for preventing infections like bacterial vaginosis and urinary tract infections. What will happen if all the human body microflora vanishes? 1. Malabsorption. Inability to digest and absorb nutrients properly, leading to malnutrition. 2. Vitamin deficiencies. Lack of synthesis of essential vitamins like B12 and K. 3. Gastrointestinal problems. Increased likelihood of gastrointestinal disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and severe constipation or diarrhea. 4. Increased infections. Higher susceptibility to infections as the immune system struggles to distinguish between harmful and harmless organisms. 5. Autoimmune diseases. Increased risk of autoimmune diseases due to the immune system potentially attacking the body's own cells. 6. Allergies. Higher incidence of allergies as the immune system overreacts to harmless substances. 7. Increased infections. Higher risk of skin infections without the protective barrier of beneficial microbes. 8. Inflammation and irritation. More skin inflammation and conditions such as eczema and psoriasis. 9. Acne. Increased likelihood of acne outbreaks due to lack of beneficial bacteria that regulate skin health. 10. Tooth decay. Rapid progression of cavities due to the unchecked growth of harmful bacteria. 11. Gum disease. Increased risk of gingivitis and periodontitis. 12. Oral infections. Higher susceptibility to oral infections and bad breath. 13. Respiratory infections. Increased risk of infections in the respiratory tract. 15. Urinary tract infections, UTIs. Increased frequency and severity of UTIs. 16. Reproductive health. Disruptions in the reproductive tract, leading to infections and possibly affecting fertility. 18. Mood disorders. Potential increase in anxiety, depression, and other mood disorders due to the disrupted production of neurotransmitters like serotonin. 19. Gut-brain axis. Impaired communication between the gut and brain, affecting overall mental health. How to maintain healthy microflora in human body. 1. Eat a balanced diet. Include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes to provide prebiotics that feed beneficial bacteria. 2. Fermented foods. Consume yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and other fermented foods rich in probiotics. 3. Limit antibiotic use. Avoid unnecessary antibiotics to prevent disrupting the balance of your microflora. If antibiotics are prescribed, complete the full course as directed by your healthcare provider. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water as adequate hydration helps maintain the mucosal lining of the intestines, promoting a healthy environment for microflora. 5. Reduce sugar and processed foods. High sugar and processed food intake can promote the growth of harmful bacteria and yeast. 6. Manage stress. Engage in activities like meditation, yoga, or exercise to reduce stress, which can negatively impact gut health. 7. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night to support overall health, including the balance of your microflora. 8. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can promote a diverse and healthy microbiome. 9. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Smoking can negatively affect your microflora. Excessive alcohol intake can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria. 10. Consider probiotics and prebiotics. Consult with a healthcare provider to see if probiotic supplements might be beneficial for you. Include prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, bananas, and asparagus that feed beneficial bacteria. 11. Maintain good hygiene. Practice good hygiene without overusing antibacterial products that can harm beneficial skin microflora. For oral hygiene, brush and floss regularly to maintain a healthy oral microbiome. Conclusion. Remember, a healthy microflora is essential for a healthy body. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Hit that bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. Stay healthy, stay curious, and see you next time.